Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will make our salmon leftover. So let's see how I make my leftover salmon or laks in Norwegian to make it even more yummy. Okay guys, here are the ingredients. So of course the leftover salmon, I just mash it to make it flakes. And then we have to put the onion and the onion leeks. Just mix it together. We have our paprika, so we just mix it first. We have to add the eggs. We have to put the paprika powder, garlic powder, pepper, of course the salt. We have the salt also. You just put it on my palm so that I can estimate it. Maybe this one. Then we have our mayonnaise. So that's it. And then we have to mix again. Now we have to put the cornmeal, at least 2 spoons. We have breadcrumbs. So that's it. Lagay na natin ang patty. So, ganyan na natin guys. Clip up. Perfect. Ito na guys ang finished product. Ayan na guys. This is a combination of the sauce is ketchup and mayonnaise. It's up to you. It's good to have a salad as sidings. Ito na ang ating niluluto. Let's taste. Tikman natin ang ating niluluto. Ayan, diba? Gusto nyo, if you want also the hot sauce, you can have it also. Very good. Tayuan for sure. This is good for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. That's all for today, and I hope you liked my video, guys. This is guaranteed very tasty and easy to make salmon leftover. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.